Another Thursday means more Supreme for y'all. Y'all can hear in my voice that I'm a little bit under the weather, but that don't mean shit because we back in the stew with another video. If y'all doing up enjoying this one, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, click the post notification bells. Low key, I just edited the live cop and the footage is a minute worth of content, so this might be my fastest live cop yet. I think I'm gonna add some Palace Gucci news to this because that is dropping tomorrow, so I might get into that at the end of this video. Stay tuned for that, but without any further ado, let's get into the live cop. While I'm setting up, let me know in the comments if you decided to go for anything this week or you decided to sleep. Low key, I was about to sleep if it wasn't for that knife this week. So at 11, I go to the site and I'm refreshing, you feel me? Shit took like a minute to load, but I cropped it down, you feel me? I decided to keep scrolling. I go to accessories. As soon as I see the knife, I'm like, yo, let me get that in the glow in the dark green. No questions. Then I go to the air freshener. I'm like, I'll take it in the black. I low-key thought it was gonna be a set, so I got finessed, but it is what it is, bro. Took my L, and I'm over here adding my information. Shout out to Apple Pay for life, bro. As soon as they added this shit, I started hitting on Supreme, and that's just what it is, bro. So I'm processing right here, $81. I am gonna get some of my tax back, but I decided to get that and I cooked up, bro. It was pretty simple. This season, I'm on a W streak. I hope this shit continues throughout to the box logo weeks because we doing good so far, bro. If y'all must say, I've been cooking up on the live cops. I've been smooth with it, no hesitation, and I ended up getting the knife and the air freshener. I'm excited with what I got, and I might do a review on the knife for y'all. I still haven't decided yet. We gonna have to see. Aside of that shit, we do got Palace and Gucci releasing tomorrow. There's this shoulder bag which is low-key looking kind of clean. It's the Palace Triferg and it has the Gucci straps going around. Instead of saying Palace, it says Gucci. I think this one's hard. Y'all already know retail gonna be through the roof on these bitches, but it is what it is. I think this piece is clean. Let me know what y'all think of the bag. There's this Palace Gucci hoodie in this pink color. Shit's looking beautiful as well, bro. It has the Triferg on it with the Gucci monogram behind it, and then it has the Gucci spell out going through it. I think this piece is clean, bro. In this pink color, beautiful. I feel like the price is gonna be through the roof on this bitch though, I'm not gonna lie. You get all the little extra perks that come with Gucci, just like Supreme with LV. Honestly, the Gucci hoodie is probably one of my favorites. I'm gonna go through these slides on Instagram real quick. Right here you got like this Gucci Nori Archives is blowing up right now. Go check Nori Archives out. We've been going crazy, bro. I've gained like what, 1,300 in a week. Shit's going up, bro. Go follow that. But Palace Gucci right here, you got this kilt looking ass. I don't know what they got going on with that, but there's some female pieces dropping too. Right there you can see the Gucci shoulder bag going on with the socks as well. Okay, you got this leather jacket. It's decent, not my style per se, but I see where they going with it. They got the Palace Gucci slides coming out for whoever's interested. This flannel look crazy with those big ass pants at the bottom. Then you got the OD Dominican shoes, bro. Nah, this shit ain't for me, you feel me? It's just what it is. You can see this like soccer jersey type crew neck right here. There's a tee coming out. It looks like they're even dropping a belt. I think this is a fully loaded collab, bro. We don't have exactly what's gonna be coming out, but it's looking pretty decent from what I see so far. Let me know if y'all gonna be going for anything Palace Gucci this week, or would y'all be more excited for Supreme Louis V Part 2? Low-key, I would be more excited for that, but it is what it is. This is what we got for today. Let me know in the comments if y'all gonna be copping the Gucci shit, or if you cop Supreme today. If you decided to sleep, let me know as well. I just want to see where y'all heads at. But yeah, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.